Another day, another week, man, we here. So today we are going to do a sex on the beach. So this is like, I put my twist on a sex on the beach. You know, sex on the beach has like cranberry juice, pineapple juice, like peach, all that good stuff. So I guess the biggest difference is that I am going to make it look different. And instead of cranberry juice, we are going to be using this, which I really like because it tastes good. White Cran Strawberry. So we're gonna substitute that. So if you like berries, it's gonna have a lot of berries. There's some berries in here. These are frozen berries, mainly because I didn't buy fresh berries, but you should buy fresh berries if you make this. So boom. So as far as the liquors, we got, so you guys can see this, we got vodka and we have Peach Schnapps. It's a liqueur. Everybody loves vodka. So we're just gonna do 1 ounce of this, 1 ounce vodka in here. Boom. 1 ounce of Peach Schnapps in here. Just like that. Put a little touch. Now the rest we just gonna kind of eyeball. So we got some cranberry. We just gonna do like a splash, a cranberry. Boom. Add a little taste. And we got our cute little individual size of those pineapple juice. We're gonna put a little splash of that in there. Maybe a little bit more than a splash. And then we are going to mix that up here for a couple shakes. That's all you really need. Take that top off. So the next thing we are going to do is kind of prep our mason jar. I was drinking out of it. So, we're gonna do, can I get a spoon? Voila. So we're gonna do a couple berries at the bottom. We're gonna kind of do like, we're just gonna layer it. A couple berries at the bottom. Some crushed ice. You know, oh, snap. We're gonna break that up. Boom. Some crushed ice. Some more berries. They frozen. You know what I'm saying? Make sure they're not frozen. You know, when you do it. Some more crushed ice. Because we want that berry juice kind of get up in there, you know. Mix that crushed ice up in there. Some more berries. Because we love our berries. Because they're very delicious. Alright, some more crushed ice. Boom. Get that at the top, let that sit. So this is how our jar looks now. So now we got our jar, berries, juice, liquor, drink, sex on the beach. Pour that in there. And it's just gonna kind of fall through and kind of fill up, you know, just like that. Boom. And then we're gonna just add a little bit more pineapple juice, just because like everybody likes some pineapple juice. Get that little color in there. And then to finish it, we're gonna do a cherry. Because like everybody loves cherries and we got all the fruits in there. And there you have it. Add a little metal straw. There you have it. We have our, I don't got a name. It's a sex on the beach, but we gonna call it Sex by the Water. Sex by the Islands. Sex on the Island. Something. We out.